Hello, I'm going to make this demonstration of my final year project to you. I have running my, this is an Android application of movie ticket buying function. I have running the Android Studio on my computer, and but because the running speed of virtual machine Android Studio is really slow, so I choose to run this application on a real Android phone. So let's start it. First, we install it on this phone. We give the PIN code of this device to get permitted for installing, and there it is. So here is the home page of this application. We need to log in to do more things. This is the login page. If we don't input anything and click login, so it requires to enter an email address. So let's enter maybe a wrong one, and then the wrong password, and tries to log in, and it says user does not exist. So we use the email address we have already registered, which is user1@email.com. To log in and input a wrong password, it says the password is wrong. So now we input the correct information. Its password is PWD and 1. Now we see that, yeah, it's toasted that success. This here is the home page of my application. There are mainly three module functions of this app, which is home, news, and my. In the home part, it has 3 viewings, which is the top rated movies, the cinemas, and the now playing movies. In the news part, it shows the related movie news, and we can click it to see the details, as you can see, and we can scroll down to see more details. Go back and see another one. Back to the home. We can also see the details information of a specific movie. This way, you can see its release date, score, language, movie length, and its overview. And we can also see the details information of top rated movies. Now, if we want to see the information of cinemas, we can also click in here and see the details. It shows the address, average score, phone and email, and introduction to this movie theater. Now, the main function of this application is to book a ticket. There are 2 ways to book a ticket. First, the user can find their interest movie and click booking. And now you can see it's the cinemas that's showing this movie. And we can click session of a cinema. And now we can see there's some sessions that this movie played in this movie theater. And in this movie, in this theater, the Sonic Hedgehog 2 only has one session. Its time is May the 19th, and its ticket price is 8. Now, if we enter, we can go into the here, and we can also select a session by go into the movie theater, click booking, and we can also see there are 3 movies are playing in this cinema, and we click session. Now you can see there's another session which plays on May the 22nd, and its price is 12. Now let's try to book a ticket. Session, click this, and now you can see there's a view of the cinema hall, and you can see selections. On the top of it, you can see there's 3 status of seats. There are unselected, selected, and sold. So we click 2 seats that are on row 4 and column 4, and row 4, column 5, and go to payment. And we input the card information. To pay this order. This is a fake card information provided by Stripe. And input the CVC code. Yeah, that's it. So it should be successful. And if we log out, here is is the personal center of this user 1 that we logged in, and there are also more functions such as get the favorite list of this user. We can see in the favorite list there is some movies, and we can click details to see the information of this movie, and we can also try to delete it from here. On this button recommended, it's the movie recommendation by using collaborative filtering. So it's an user-based collaborative filtering method, which was achieved in the server side, and it can recommend user with some movies by comparing the similarity with other users in this system. And we click recommended. We can see those are the movies recommended for this user, and we can also click details to see the details information of it. And this user can also manage its personal information such as email address, username, and password to update his account info. And now we log out this system, and we can also sign up to register another user. If we enter the email address with some wrong one, which is user1 at email without com, which is an invalid email address, and the username maybe test, and also password test, and confirm password test and sign up. It toasted that invalid email address, so we cracked it to an correct one and sign up. It told us that the password should at least 5 digits to 18 digits, and should include a number and also a character. We add another digit and click sign up. It told us that the two input view has different value, so we add another one and sign up. And it told us that this email address has already been registered, which is registered by user 1. So we register this with another one, test, and sign up. Now this time it should be successful. So that is the demonstration of my whole application. There are still some bugs to be fixed and to be updated. I hope this can be finished on the demonstration day. And for the server side, I would like to introduce the server side was using an Spring Boot framework of Java and also the MySQL database, but because my application was separated backend and frontend, so if I running my server and also the front end, the Android Studio on my laptop, it cannot work because it requires very high quality of this computer. So I deployed my server side to a cloud platform, which is Heroku. So every time the front end tries to retrieve data or do some actions to the server, it's directly access to the cloud link, which is called movie word, and it's my name, and this is a network link. So the server can always be running every time the user tries to access it, and it will work. So that is the whole content of my application, and thank you for your listening.